Hello, good morning, and welcome again. It's Chisom, and my video today we'll be looking at four different AI research assists for your research work. The first on my list is Jenni AI. It helps you generate ideas, wonderful ideas for your research paper. Paperpal also is another generative AI tool for your research Paperpal. Yeah, and it's also incorporated in Microsoft Word. And then the next again on my list is connected papers. This AI tool helps you to connect different papers to your topic. And the last one again on my list that we're looking at today would be Humanata. Yes, it's an AI tool that helps you summarize papers. It helps you to chat with your PDF. You can upload the document and chat with it and ask questions and your PDF, and it does a lot. So let's dive in. Yeah. All right, we'll move straight to Jenny AI. I want us to know that all these tools are cloud-based tools, meaning that you just go to your search on Google and type any of them and they pop out. And what you just need to do is to sign up and get started. If you want to upgrade, it's good you upgrade to have other latest templates that are more helpful. Okay, let's get started. What topic are we looking at today? And I'm just going to type data driven um information in retail, data driven decision in retail marketing. Okay. Okay, it's already typing something for me, and when you click on accept, it means that you've accepted what it's written, and it goes on like that. And if you want to try again, you try again. If you don't like what that's written, you try again, and that's all. It goes on like that. I'm going to click accept. Can you see that it's giving us, it's citing what it's talking about, and it's using APA 7. You can also decide to use any of this reference type to reference your work. Okay, so it's still writing again. The shift towards the more lenient to consider this. If I decide not to accept this, I won't accept it. And that's it. Also, in your library, you can add sources. It already put out some of the articles it took all these things from here, and you can also decide to add your own. Let's assume you already have some sources already for your research paper, for your research topic, for your topic. You can come here and upload sources. So you can upload whatever you want on your Jenni.ai, and it generates whatever is writing from that article that you've uploaded here. So you can create your collection. You can also chat with it just like chat GPT. You can ask questions here, ask any AI any question over here. When I highlight any of this and the AI commands, I can decide to improve fluency, can decide to improve fluency, I can decide to paraphrase. Sorry. Yeah, I can decide to edit, improve, or generate text. So When you get down here, you can either improve your fluency or you paraphrase. In the paraphrasing section, you can see it can either be friendly, boldly, academically, casually, as you want it. It's okay. You can decide to cite it already cited again. You can decide to cite more. Okay. And then that's just it for Jenni.ai. Okay. And if you want to learn more about this AI tool, there are tutorials here. They can help you, give you different ideas of what it's all about. So, and if you want to write again a different topic, come to new document and get started. That's just it. As easy as ABC. So this Jenni.ai tool, that's very helpful. All right. Okay, and you can also decide to add okay, I'm going back to the data driven retail marketing. Okay. Okay, you can also export whatever you've written over here to Word document and it exports to Word document. The interesting thing about this Jenny AI is that even though you've not upgraded to the higher version for you to get your reference, once you export the Word document, also exports the reference over there. All right, so the next one I'll be talking about, number two for today, is Paperpal. Okay, Paperpal, like I said, is a cloud-based tool. So just type it on your Google search and sign up. That's all. Then here I already incorporated Paperpal to my MS Word. If you look at the end of this pane over here, you can see Open Paperpal. So to do this, after you must have signed up, just click on Addings and type Paperpal on your search addings and add, and it will just bring it up over here. So I'm just going to open my Paperpal right now. So we have language and consistency. So let's assume I already opened a document here. This language check, you're going to check everything and correct gives it corrections. So over here we have the write, translates, templates, and the rest of it. So I'll click on templates, outline, title, abstract, keywords. I can also generate abstracts on my already uploaded document, or go to outlines and set writing. You can write a research article, a case report, an essay, or something or brainstorm or title, abstract, any of them. So I'll just click on research article, choose a section to start. I'll click on introduction, just with introduction, and over here the backdrop of Paperpal is that it only has three field of study. So I'll go with physical science, and I'm just going to click on this topic, data driven decision in small medium size in Africa. Let's see what it generates for us. Okay, background, so existing knowledge, it's just giving us an introduction, research questions, objective, hypothesis. This just gives you a background of how you should start writing, and it helps you a lot. So you don't need to start worrying yourself on how do you start. So this helps you to start writing. So the difference between Paperpal and Jenni.ai is that Jenni.ai at least gives you reference, but Paperpal doesn't give you reference. So that's another backdrop. And you can also regenerate this stuff, or you just insert directly to your um workspace, and that's it over here. Then you can go back again to choose a section, and I can also start discussing methods. Okay, I'll click on methods, the same topic, and generate. Let's see what it has for us. Okay, it's giving us ideas of what we can do. Can you see that? And I can also decide to regenerate or insert. So I will just insert. Okay, can you see it's already inserted there? So that's just it for Paperpal. And over here, you can decide to rewrite, paraphrase. I can decide to click on this one and can decide to paraphrase this or trim it. Maybe I want shorter words. I can trim it. I can paraphrase. I can make it more academic. Let's trim and see what it does. You can see the trim test. Okay, it has trimmed it by 5 words. So here, this can help you to do some word count if you are looking at generate a particular number of words for your research paper. So I can just replace or regenerate. So I've replaced that, and that's that for there. Okay, so this is it. Language. Okay, when it comes to language, you can see that it has already given us about some sentences that are ready for use that it has corrected. You see, it removed this one, so you can decide to accept them. The research questions, this. So if you look at the research questions, you can see that it's trying to correct it, that it's supposed to start with capital letter, and you can decide to accept this correction or reject. So I accept all the correction, and it changes that. Aim of study, I can decide to see the correction is made over there, so I can decide to accept these corrections or reject the corrections. So when I accept, that's it. So there are so many other things you can do with Paperpal. When you upload your document, you can decide to generate your abstract, trim the words, change the language, correcting some language that you don't want, or make it more academic. So next up again, we're going to be looking at its connected papers. Connected papers. This AI research tool helps you connect related papers to your research topic. So I'm just going to type a topic: data data driven decisions in marketing. Build a graph. Okay, I can choose a paper to build a graph on. So let me choose this paper, removing silos to enable data driven nutrition, the importance of marketing and IT knowledge. So I'm just going to choose this one. You see the related research papers around my topic. The one with the purple symbol up here, this one is the pivotal paper that all these other ones are related to. So once I click on any one, it gives me a summary of what that paper is about. This one has 8 citations. All these are your related papers, like I said previously. And period, when you click on these works, you can see the most commonly cited by the papers in the graph. So look at them over here. You can see them. derivatives. So these ones are cited by many of the papers in the graph. So you can list all of those papers. You can list all of them. And when you click on any one, you can open it up, see, open it in Semantic Scholar, open in Publisher page, or open in Google Scholar. So can you see that? So the last one for today is Humata AI. Humata.ai. So this one helps you to summarize your PDF. So over here, you can see drag and drop or click to upload a file. When you click over here, you can upload PDF, the PPT, and PPT. So I already uploaded a document, the rules of schools in preventing childhood obesity, and I'm going to click on ask. So it's already giving me a summary of what this entire PDF is all about. And it gave some example questions on what you want from the PDF. So you can go ahead and ask multiple questions about this particular document, and it will just give you answers based on the document. Okay, these are my top four for now, and hope you found all this AI too helpful. Also, note that it doesn't replace your human intelligence. So whatever you've generated, you still need to work on it. Okay, all right. Till next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the like button, comment. Thank you.